Once upon a time, in a lush, enchanted forest filled with towering trees and vibrant flowers, there lived a clever crow named Coco. The forest was home to many creatures who relied on its magical streams and ponds for water. But one summer, the forest faced an unusual drought, causing the streams to dry up, and the ponds turned into mere puddles. The animals were worried and thirsty. Coco, with his glossy black feathers and bright eyes, was known throughout the forest for his intelligence and resourcefulness. One scorching afternoon, after flying from one corner of the forest to another in search of water, Coco was exhausted and parched. He decided to rest on a branch of an ancient oak tree, contemplating what to do next. As he rested, he noticed a small glimmer of sunlight reflecting off something down below. Curious, Coco flew down and discovered an old half-buried pitcher hidden beneath some fallen leaves. To his delight, the pitcher contained a little water, but the water was at the bottom, far too low for his beak to reach. Coco hopped around the pitcher, trying to find a way to reach the water. He pecked at the pitcher, but it was too solid to break. He pushed and tugged, but it was too heavy to tip over. Finally, as he sat pondering his predicament, he remembered a story his grandmother Crow used to tell him about using pebbles to solve problems. In a flash of inspiration, Coco began to gather small pebbles from around the forest floor. With each pebble he dropped into the pitcher, the water rose a little higher. It was a slow process, but Coco was determined. He continued tirelessly, and eventually the water rose to a level where he could finally quench his thirst. As Coco drank the cool, refreshing water, he noticed something extraordinary happening. The enchantment of the forest had returned. The dry leaves regained their lush green color and flowers bloomed vibrantly around him. Streams began to flow once more, and a gentle rain started to fall, bringing life back to the parched forest. Word of Coco's ingenuity spread quickly through the forest, and all the animals gathered to celebrate the crow who had saved them from the drought. From that day on, Coco was not only admired for his intelligence, but also celebrated as a hero of the enchanted forest. And so, the story of the thirsty crow became a cherished tale among the animals of the enchanted forest, a reminder of the power of creativity and determination in the face of adversity.